Hi! In this video, we're going to show you how to manage classes and students in Edhance Studio. First, on the Edhance homepage, we'll log in with our username and password as we showed in one of the previous tutorials. For the next step, and note this is very important, we need to choose the school administrator role for access control. Now that you are logged in as a school administrator, here in the default overview window, click on the Classes button in the left panel. We'll see the classes overview appear and we can see that it looks a bit empty at the moment because we haven't created any classes yet. So let's fix that. In the top purple bar on the right side, click on the Create Class button. This will bring up a window to create a new class, and here we will enter the basic class information in the appropriate fields: class name, class teacher name, and school year. It is not necessary to fill in all the fields now, so I leave the classroom information blank. Then confirm with the Save button and we can see that we have created the class. You can edit the class details at any time by clicking on the class that you want to edit, and then clicking on the pencil icon next to the attribute that you want to change. Don't forget to confirm your changes by clicking the Save button. And now, we'll show you how to add students. There are two ways to do this. The first way is through the Students button on the left panel. In the Student Overview window, you can see the Create Student button in the top right corner of the top bar. When you click on this button, a window appears where you can fill in the student's personal and contact details. The second way is through the user list, again, on the left panel, where you can add students by mass import or individually. Here, at the purple top bar, you will find the Download Template, Import Users, and Create a User buttons. After downloading and opening the mass transfer template, you will find additional instructions inside the template. If you need to move students from one class to another, this can be done in the Class Details on the Students tab. Click on the Mass Transfer button. A window will appear on the right side with the option to select a new class and students. Click on the Save button to transfer the selected students. That's it. Now you know how to manage classes and students in Edhance Studio. I look forward to seeing you at the next tutorial.